What have the words on the left got in common with each other, but not with the words on the right? Word, Lord. Heard, ear. Bird, weird. Kernel, colour. Turnip, berry. Service, cereal. The answer has everything to do with British English pronunciation, and particularly with the vowel sound You can learn all the grammar and vocabulary of English that you want, but if you can't pronounce English words properly, you're never going to master the language, or, for that matter, always be understood when you speak. The difference between being able to pronounce these words correctly and not being able to pronounce them correctly can be as important as landing your dream job, getting that promotion you know you deserve, or even just being able to get your ideas across and being understood without always having to repeat yourself. You can learn all about the sound in British English, as well as all the 44 sounds and symbols on the British English IPA chart in the Britlish library. Just visit the link below and explore the interactive British English IPA chart. Click on any of the sounds on the chart to find out how to pronounce them correctly so that you'll never again be misunderstood. What are you waiting for? Your future depends on it.